way of flowing, and I don't want to be like super like with myself. I do have to go to work at 2. I have like an hour to get my nails done, my toes. So I'm gonna take out all my nail supplies and I'm gonna get started on my toes. And I don't know what design I'm gonna do, but I know I want to have like some rhinestones and pink because Valentine's Day and pink is really cute. Hey gems, so this is the final product. I did some little butterflies.
I'ma tell you this one time. Boy, I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? Gas me up, give me motivation, so cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I don't feel it right. I tell you what it's all about. It's making me feel this way. It's kinda like oh, you make me feel like I need to be
Set the vibe while I sweep. This looks good.
Yeah, working that stick out the back of the truck, get feisty. Tired of that fake like a Gucci man nigga went brr, and I made them icy.
So far, I've done my wake up routine and I packed up a Depop order. So I'm gonna be getting ready with y'all. I have to drop off the Depop order. I have to walk to work, do my shift, come home, and then give y'all like a night vibe and we could just end the day together. I'm gonna be changing my bag from this bag to this bag. I got this one from Ross and it's really cute. I love the embellishing beads and sequins and the design. Super cute, super hippie, and I love it. So I bought it and it has so much space. Like y'all, bro. Like it's so huge, and when you zip it, it like looks so small. Let's go ahead and take all my stuff out. I gotta be quick because I do have to do all this in a timely manner to get to work on time. So, all right, I'm gonna take off my sanitizer. We're putting that on this bag. Nothing else. Okay, let's zip it. All right, there's nothing else in here. Super cute. Ooh, I love it so much. And I have one in pink. Obviously, I had to go back and get it because it was too cute. I couldn't pick. This one I also got from Ross. I like this one a lot. People say it's old lady, but I don't care. I really love it. I love the floral like detailing. It's so cute. So cute. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put my stuff in. We got my wallet. You know, we got like lip glosses. Let's see what's in here. All right, we got some papers. We got some papers in here, like stuff to write on, receipts, phone wiper, Aquaphor that I need to cut open because nothing is coming out of here. This like lip tint, highlighter, 2 books to also write notes. When I was at work, I was writing my tarot stuff out from my brain. I'm gonna throw these in here, and I'm gonna actually take this one out and throw this extra. So this is gonna go in the front pocket, in this pocket. Lip gloss can go in this front pocket. Crystal, front pocket. Tarot book, front pocket. Tarot cards, because I want to really walk around with these cards, look at them more. Put that also in the front pocket. Let's do this one. Let's move my lip gloss to the bottom. Perfect. And then we gotta take our really cute charm. And I have a green hat on, so I feel like it's perfect that my sanitizer matches. Y'all know I did that on purpose, right? I'm gonna put it through the back so the little string thing is like in a little bit. Okay. Okay, it's giving. I'm loving it. I gotta bring my food and my headphones. They're charging right now, so I'm gonna leave them, but they're going in the bag as well. Her order, and I will show y'all the pictures right here of what she got. She got a really pretty Justice pink tank top, and I put like the cute freebies in there and stuff. So what else do I need? Because every time I leave, I forget something. I gotta bring my food. I gotta bring my earrings. Should I do my hair up, y'all? This is what they look like. We switched our bag. Happy day, happy day. My mom, she came and let me dust that off. My mom knocked on my door and gave me a zesty pork gyro, and I think it's from Loving Gyros. I might be mistaken. By the way, y'all, I'm not a vegetarian. I have not been a vegetarian for a minute now. My journey lasted for a year and 2 months. We're here and we live in life, and I'll let y'all know if I'm back on the journey or what I'm gonna be doing from this point, but that's for a different video. Right now, I'm eating meat, and I've been eating meat for a couple of months, honestly, and your girl is getting sick. Nah, I can't even do my... I can't even, y'all. The hat is really saving the fit right now. Ooh. Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. So today we're going to do a high ponytail. Alright, so comb it up, because when you just bunch it up, you be looking a hot mess. Like, I don't know, but like just the top part, just the top, just so I can be like, okay, boom. Put your head back tight, whoa. Head feeling so swole. Whew, all right, we getting there. We getting there. Just a little bit of this extreme. Put a little bit more on the side because it's looking kind of cool. What the hell is it? What the hell? Okay. Get that front. Grab that mop, grab that mop. Yeah, the front box gets sticky in this bitch. How was looking, y'all? Whew. This is a fucking workout. Excuse me. Okay. Pull out those scrunchies and play around with it. See what you got. I like it. I like it. What y'all think? No? Okay. For those who said no, you kind of right. I need to rearrange it some more. I need to do something. I mean, honestly, it's kind of cute. Wait, am I tripping? Or do I look like alfalfa? What? What do you think? Let's go. That was good, y'all. That was good. Write that down. Spread it out like... Probably shouldn't have did that, but whatever.
I'm starting to feel like a dungeon dragon. Raw, like a dungeon dragon.
No. No. cute or am I'm really tripping. I gotta be tripping. I think it's cute. Get up there. Okay, that's something. That is something. Oh, that's good. That's good. Okay, I love it. Ah! I had to feel it, but now I'm feeling it.
You're winning. You're winning your life. You're winning.
Thought I was feeling you. Uh-oh. About to make her neck broke.
What was I made for?
I just put on some Billie Eilish. I think it's called Gorgeous. It smells so good. It smells like
Oh, go and join me.
vanilla, heaven, everything. Get it. It smells super good. So I put that on and then I'm gonna mix that with some lavender fresh. So I could be like vanilla, lavender combo. Boom. I'm gonna put on my Suave deodorant, Tropical Paradise. My girl picked this one out. And I like how it smells. I usually get the powder or I get the Dove, the men one, because that shit's strong and I love how it smells. All right, boom. Charger, headphones in the bag. Let's go right now. Period. The main thing. Oh! My keys used to have so many keychains. It was like so big you could barely fit it in the bag, but now it's real cutesy and I love it. So let's go. Get a plastic bag with my food. So I'm walking to the USPS so I can drop off this package. I hope the line is not a line and I hope I can just get this receipt and walk straight to work. Oh, there's a line, baby. There's a line. Yeah, for sure. Thank you. Have a great day. Happy day. Dropped off the package and I'm super excited because I didn't have to wait like 30 minutes. I waited a while, but not too long. So that's a great thing. Oh, this car is nice. Hold on. I mean, damn. I can't wait till I'm pulling up and some shit like that. Actually. Alright, John, so I'm inside of Whole Foods and I'm looking for fruits so I can put with some Greek yogurt so I can make parfait. Hello, hi, I have a question. Do you guys sell like parfaits or should I have to get it separately?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because we used to have them, but then they discontinued.
It's okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Perfect. He just saved me a trip. Perfect. So do I want blueberries? Ooh, they got strawberry and kiwi. Strawberry, blueberry, and kiwi. Now I just have to get yogurt. I could get like a strawberry yogurt. I want to try non-dairy yogurt. I hope it's good. I got a lot of fruit, so. I have fruit and one little yogurt. Perfect. I got the perfect cookie. I'm headed up this piece. I got my fruit yogurt and I got a chocolate chip cookie. So I'm excited to get a sweet start to my day. Excuse me. Thank you. So yeah, so excited. When I come to work so early, they don't even got the front door open. We here, we made it to work on time. Now I can heat up my food. Actually, I'm not gonna eat my food, I'm gonna eat my fruit first. So I'm gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna eat. Just got off of work and now I'm heading home. I'm really excited to shower, relax. I have a reading to complete tonight and I also am gonna get on some Fortnite if she's still up for it, but I'm excited. I think today was a really good day and I'm excited to finish it off with a bang. So let's go. Hey chums, so I ended off my night by taking a really nice shower. I had some food, chocolate chip cookie, and ice cream, and I played some Fortnite with my girlfriend, my friend Naya, and 2 of her friends, and that was really fun. And now I'm just gonna end my night off with a show. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Do no harm, take no shade, and always be the best you.